Alright, so got ourselves a new box from SDI here. We're going to go ahead and flip it open real quick, see what we got. I'm just about finished with my first term here at SDI, so this will be, I think this is the initial, like, hey, welcome to SDI. So yeah, let's crack it open and see what we got. Let's probably see if I can do it from this side right here. It's probably how they intended me to do that. All right, there we go. Okay. Let's see what we got up. Yep, it's exactly what I thought it was. So no more using my food line bag. Looks like I got myself a proper, pad, a work pad now. Set that right over there. Oh, yes. Stickers. Hold on. Let's see what else we got. I got a couple of stickers. So, let's see. Keep those right there. Got, what else? Yep, I got a black one. So I got a red one, kind of a not so red one, got a black one. And I believe that's what I think it is. There is a bottle opener in there. It's got an AR-15 bottle opener. I think. Hold on. Or is that just a keychain? I think that's, actually, hold on, let's take a look. I think this is just a keychain. Yeah, that's just a keychain. With old school, I guess, AR-15 or M16. Not sure. I'm sure I'll learn by the end of the class. And it looks like we have ourselves an SDI t-shirt. See, short sleeve SDI t-shirt. And I think that's it. That's it. So there we go. That's the initial, let's see, let me just throw this right in here. That is the initial welcome to SDI package that we have. So again, we got a keychain, SDI shirt, and some stickers. So that's what we got. Thanks for watching.